Good morning, guys. So you have made it. We are on our last week of school. I am going to post an assignment for today, but I know we are nearing the end of everything we can expect. So you do not need to submit it. So if you would like to complete it and do it, you may. If you don't submit it, then it's okay. It's not going to count against you. I do want to let you know that I am going to be finalizing grades. I've got a couple of assignments and things over the weekend. I've got a couple emails. I've got some remind texts. So I'm going to be double checking everything that you guys have sent and clarifying grades. If you wish to submit something that you have not completed yet, the last time to do this would be tonight by, I don't know, let's say 6 o'clock. Everything that you want me to look at for a grade needs to be submitted to me by 6 p.m. this evening. And if you are missing things that you think that you completed, go ahead and please send me a text through Remind or my Google Voice or an email and let me know what it is. I've already gotten some of you guys, so give me a second to make sure I go back and look for some things that some of you guys were texting me or emailing me about because I didn't do anything like towards grades over the weekend. But I will be doing all of that, catching everything up today. If there's things missing that you think that you did, let me know. I hope that you guys are doing well. This has been a struggle, not getting to see and interact with you every day. I will be back on tomorrow to post another video for you guys. So this one's a quick, fast one. Your lesson today is about Georgia-based businesses, which is actually kind of cool. So Home Depot, Coca-Cola, and some other businesses that bring billions of dollars into the state every single year and can create jobs for us. So it's just some interesting things. Even if you don't want to complete any handwritten work, there's definitely some interesting videos and things looped into this virtual field trip. So go ahead, check it out. Please email me or text me about missing assignments and make sure you're submitting everything that you want to be in the gradebook before today at 6. Okay? All right, I hope you had a good weekend. I will see you tomorrow.